see that if the visibility is less than 50 meter in a fog, what is the classification of the fog? It is shallow, dense, or moderate or dense. Shallow, moderate, or dense. So it will be the correct answer. It will be dense. Next. The same is again next. DI on, if you see the reading somewhere, if it is visible, this is highway, all are in a dangerous condition at different time. Next. Yes, you can see the dense harsh temperature is
now the dense
you see the temperature is low. It is so the fog is basically equal to the cold water temperature. It is not even at the room temperature, it is half of the room temperature. And you can see that the dew point is also less than that. And this is now airport location. So how in that low visibility, while you 50 meter are not visible, how you will run your airports? So what is the economic loss as well as the psychological loss, because you are separated and you are stranded in certain places. Next. Yes, this is hygrometer. This was just a wind fog. We have already made the video. Next. And this is another kind of, you have seen that the windmills also in the Qatar. So they are also showing you certain wind directions and they are moving and generating a lot of electricity. We call it green technology. Next. So this is lactometer which we have broken yesterday, but we will repair it and regain it or repurchase it. Next please. Sound meter we have already tested. Next. This is important because the gas monitoring is important, because if you want to know the smog, then you have such kind of instruments. Next. Smog is a type of air pollution that is the last, that is a combination of harmful pollutants that can cause health problems, harm the environment, and even cause property damage. So you have three dimensions: property damage, as well as environment damage and health damage. And that can be also a short essay question, that what are the major effects of smog on environment or on different sectors of the society. Smog forms when pollutants are released into the air. Pollutants are formed both naturally and by humans. So man-made and naturally. Naturally means certain things are available in the air quality, but if their concentration is disturbed, suppose water vapors are disturbed, light is coming, the oxygen will be converted into ozone. Burning and extraction of the fossil, suppose coal mining in Saparkar may cause a lot of fog and even the lava and sun, and even the burning for the generation of electricity, suppose downshore of thermal power, that can also cause a smog in Hyderabad. And Hyderabad air quality is already 3 to 4 times bad than the normal air quality. That should be less than 5 PM 2.5, or at least it can be up to the 50. PM 2.5, 50 is acceptable, but if it is more than 200, 300, 400, then it is a harmful situation. So with this students, I think we are finished with the Smog Dr. Physiology YouTube channel as well as this academic and public health discourse is not limited to my students, to my university. You can have any question, query, you can add something which can write your comments or anything which is missing in this lecture. You are welcome. So please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel so that more information is sent and received by you. Thank you. You can see that the dangerous word is there. This is now through the digital system. Next please. 310 is dangerous. This is the air quality, but you can see the air quality 310 and Lahore is 11 plus, and some of the places in the Lahore are 2000 plus. Next, and these are the important problems: sinus pressure, common cold, flu, migraine, and respiratory problems. And you can have certain outdoor activities which will also be not possible for you. Even air traffic, trains, buses, roads, markets, no visibility, particularly if there is an air flight cancelled. How many patients, how many doctors, how many traders can face this travel problem. Next please. This is Peshawar, Sawabi, Islamabad, and all are showing the motorway fog condition. All are unacceptable. Visibility less than 1 kilometer, 90% or more. So you can see that the roads are not visible. You are opening your headlights of the vehicle, but even the road is not visible. So lot of accidents, lot of other injuries, and transport loss or the unemployment will also be there, because many laborers they travel from one place to other place, to factories, to schools, to markets. And the blame is that agricultural stubble, STUBBLE, means refuse or the waste of the agriculture which is normally put on fire and the smoke comes. But one of the parliament members told that agriculture activities are since time immemorial. If this fog was related to the agriculture activities, then it should have been in the Mohenjo-daro, in Harappa, and even in the 19th century. Why this in October 2024? So that means that agriculture is not the main culprit, it is the transport industries and the activities at the urban level, even food chain, which is normally supplying everything, but where from they are cooking. They are cooking round the clock because they have to supply a large population, and their chain is increasing. Even if you have international food chains, just like children.
जी सर.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are also in public health laboratory, and in my hand you can see a yellow color, but a very beautiful thermometer and a very beautiful case are in a packing. But how many know the name of this thermometer?
Hygrometer.
Hygrometer.
Yes.
What is the name?
Hygrometer.
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 Hygro means?
Hygro means pressure. No.
Perhaps humidity, and
Humidity.
Assignment for you. What is the meaning of the hygro means humidity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is an instrument called hygrometer, but its exact name is somewhat different. which I shall tell you at the end. And it has two dry sides, a dry bulb and wet
Wet
bulb.
bulb.
Dr. Lata was already telling that she had been delivering this kind of lecture but had not seen this instrument. So the wet bulb, which basically is dipped into the water, will give a reading of the humidity in the air, and dry will also give a kind of humidity or temperature in the air. If it is 100 both sides, it means there is complete humidity and complete temperature, both are same, and that is not a normal condition. But the normal level should be between 30 to 60. So humidity normal level should be 30
To
to
60.
60, not 100%. Okay, 100% means almost a rain. Means air is less and water is more. So it will cause many respiratory problems. It will cause even the heat accumulation because perspiration will stop and you can have the heat related higher related temperature. Even your brain and the heat regulating center may not work, and that will lead that kind of difficulty. And apart from this, you can have a growth of mite and other insects. Please mind it. If the humidity is more, the mosquito will grow more, the mites will grow more, and other insects will grow more. Because more humidity, more insects will grow that require a humidity kind of. That's why the malaria is more in summer season, because humidity is favoring factor. So this was a short practical, and this can be used to measure the humidity. And nowadays, basically the fog in Punjab is also part of the water vapor in the air, along with other soluble contents of the gases and particulate matter or black matter. We call it carbon dioxide, methane, dust, and certain other particles. So we will go for the detail of the fog in our lecture, but I think this instrument will also give, if the more water vapors are in the air, more content of the non-air substances. Normally we have nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. We don't have any other material. Sometimes only dust, water vapor, black material, and that will, through the sun rays, will convert the oxygen into ozone layer, O3. The O2 will be converted into O3, which is a poison, which is so dangerous to the lung and parenchyma that even your disease can be incurable. And that is right now a problem going on in the early morning, and in the daylight. The fog affects or converts the oxygen into O3 or ozone, which is basically a poisonous. That's why the newspaper, the other media is writing headlines as there is an attack, or there is a public health emergency, or even the Lahore, Multan is showing the worst air quality, which is above 1000. That should be less than 100 or 50. But now the air quality index is about more than 1000. Worse than Delhi, worse than Kinshasa, worse than Karachi, so on and so forth. So this was an instrument which can give you the humidity level, which can be converted into fog, and which can be converted into smog. When black material is more and the oxygen is converted into ozone more, then we call it not fog but smog. Means smoke is there, means black material is there. So it can have different colors, and we were seeing the Google. It can be of the grey color, it can be of the yellow color, and it can be of the blackish color. Right now we are seeing big pictures on the satellites and the. So thank you very much, Wasim. You worked on this, and hopefully this will be a trained laboratory worker. आपका नाम क्या है? उस्मान, आ जाए इधर. आप भी इसको सीख लें, and this team will ultimately grow into a laboratory assistant and laboratory worker. They will have the familiarity with these instruments, use of these instruments, and we can use it for our understanding and for our research. So Dr. Latan, thank you for recording this great practical of the public health. Normally our experts are dealing with the statistics, policy.